Ever wonder how some homes always look tidy, no matter what time of day it is? It's not magic, and it's not a cleaning marathon. It's about simple, almost effortless morning habits that quietly set the tone for the entire day. If you're ready to bring lasting calm to your space, without overthinking it, hit that like button and let's start now. Habit 1. Always make your bed. Making your bed each morning might seem trivial, but it's a cornerstone of a tidy life. This simple act signals that the day has officially begun and order has been established. It requires no special tools, only intention and consistency. In many traditional households, this was non-negotiable, not as a chore, but as a discipline. When your bed is made, the entire room feels instantly cleaner, even if nothing else has changed. It sets a psychological tone, one of control, care, and readiness. It tells your mind, today is in motion, and I'm in charge. Additionally, returning to a neatly made bed in the evening offers a sense of peace and closure. It's a small reward for a day lived with purpose. This tiny habit reinforces other positive behaviors. People who make their bed are often more likely to keep other areas of their home clean as well. It doesn't need to be perfect. Straighten the sheets, smooth the cover, and plump the pillows. In under 2 minutes, you've created a visual anchor of calm and discipline that will influence your entire day. Think of it as a handshake with yourself, a commitment to respect your space, your time, and your peace of mind. Habit 2. Let fresh air in. Each morning, one of the most refreshing things you can do is simply open your windows. Letting fresh air in not only improves your home's smell and feel, but it also honors a timeless tradition of starting the day with renewal. Our ancestors knew the value of fresh air. Before modern HVAC systems and scented sprays, air circulation was the natural way to cleanse a space. When we sleep, our homes accumulate stillness, warmth, and odors. Opening the windows, if only for 10 minutes, restores balance. It exchanges the stale for the new. It invites life and vitality into the room. In cooler months, even a quick draft helps reset the atmosphere. In warmer seasons, the air's movement energizes your space and your spirit. Natural light, which often accompanies an open window, also signals the body's circadian rhythm to fully wake up. It lifts mood, enhances alertness, and naturally encourages productivity. A home filled with light and air feels less cluttered, even if nothing has been moved. This act of opening up your space serves as a gentle reminder that homekeeping is not just about cleaning. It's about stewarding an environment that nurtures well-being. Like the rising sun, it's a natural beginning. When done daily, this ritual keeps your home and your mind feeling open, fresh, and alive. Habit 3. Tidy surfaces immediately daily. One of the main reasons homes fall into disorder is because small messes are left unattended. A dish here, a jacket there, and before long, clutter becomes the norm. The most effective way to prevent this slow buildup is to do a quick surface tidy each morning. This doesn't require deep cleaning, just a mindful return to order. Spend 10 minutes clearing countertops, putting items back where they belong, folding a blanket, or fluffing a cushion. This ritual maintains the appearance of cleanliness and prevents chaos from gaining a foothold. It's far easier to maintain a tidy space than to reclaim one that's already overwhelmed. Traditionally, keeping surfaces clear was a sign of a well-run home. It wasn't about perfection. It was about respect for the space and those who lived in it. A clutter-free environment also reduces mental noise. You'll find yourself less distracted, more at peace, and able to focus on the tasks ahead. This habit is especially helpful in areas like the kitchen, living room, and bathroom, spaces that are frequently used and easily disordered. Resetting these zones daily means they're always ready to serve their function. Make this part of your morning rhythm. Like brushing your teeth or brewing your coffee, it becomes second nature. And the result is a home that feels consistently cared for. Habit 4. Clear kitchen every morning. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and when it's messy, the whole house feels off balance. That's why one of the most powerful morning habits is to begin the day by clearing your kitchen. Whether it's putting away clean dishes, wiping counters, or tossing yesterday's crumbs, this sets a tone of readiness. Starting with a clean kitchen ensures that you're prepared for the day's meals and activities. It also prevents the inevitable pile-up of dishes that can sour the entire day. A tidy kitchen welcomes you to make breakfast, brew your tea, or pack lunches with calmness and clarity. Traditionally, homemakers placed great importance on the kitchen's cleanliness. It wasn't just for appearances, it was because the kitchen was central to the family's rhythm and health. A clean kitchen protects food safety, encourages home cooking, and invites togetherness around the table. This task is best done early, before distractions arrive. Empty the dishwasher or drying rack, wipe down counters and the stove. Take a quick glance at your fridge and toss any expired items. These tasks take just a few minutes, but their impact lasts all day. A clean kitchen in the morning is like a blank canvas. It gives you control, peace, and the freedom to use your space the way it was meant to be used, without frustration or delay. Habit 5. Do laundry regularly. Morning. Laundry doesn't need to be a daunting all-day affair. One of the most effective ways to stay on top of it is by starting a small load each morning. This habit prevents dirty clothes from piling up and keeps your household running smoothly. Think of laundry as a daily rhythm, rather than a weekly event. You can start the load first thing in the morning and have it drying or folded by midday. This consistent approach reduces overwhelm and keeps closets and hampers neat. In traditional homes, laundry day was a full-day event because it had to be. Today, with modern machines, we have the luxury of breaking the work into manageable steps. Doing one load a day, or even every other day, means clothes, towels, and linens are always fresh and ready. This habit also teaches responsibility and respect for your belongings. When laundry is handled consistently, clothes last longer and your home feels more orderly. There's nothing comforting about overflowing baskets or wrinkled piles waiting for attention. Include this in your morning routine. Gather one load, sort it, and get it started. It becomes part of your day's rhythm, like brushing your teeth or starting your car. Over time, you'll notice not just a cleaner home, but a calmer mind. Habit 6. Straighten the entryway daily. The entryway is the first impression your home gives, both to you and your guests. That's why a tidy, organized entry sets the tone for everything that follows. Each morning, take a few moments to straighten this space. Hang up coats, line up shoes, clear off surfaces, and ensure bags or keys are in place. This small act offers large returns. It prevents the slow accumulation of clutter that so often begins right at the door. Mail, backpacks, jackets, and umbrellas can quickly pile up, turning a welcoming entrance into a chaotic mess. Traditionally, the front hall or foyer was considered an extension of hospitality. Even in modest homes, care was taken to keep this area swept, clear, and inviting. It offered a sense of pride, dignity, and order. By maintaining your entryway each morning, you make coming home a more pleasant experience. You also make leaving the house smoother. No last-minute scrambling for lost keys or missing shoes. This habit supports a peaceful flow to your daily routines. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes resetting this space every morning. A tidy entryway offers a sense of calm right from the threshold, and that calm carries throughout the rest of your home. Habit 7. Take out the trash. One of the simplest ways to keep your home tidy and fresh is to make trash removal a daily morning habit. Especially in the kitchen, letting garbage linger overnight can create odors, attract pests, and contribute to a sense of disarray. But when this task is woven into your morning rhythm, it becomes effortless. Start by checking the kitchen, bathroom, and office bins. If they're full or even close, tie up the bag, take it out, and replace it with a clean liner. The few minutes it takes each day can prevent much bigger problems later. In traditional households, taking out the trash was often part of the morning or evening routine, not left until bins overflowed. This regular rhythm ensured cleanliness, hygiene, and order in the home. It's a simple task, but one with a ripple effect. Clean bins discourage clutter and encourage care in other areas. This habit is also a visual reset. An empty trash can gives the impression that things are in control. It's a small psychological win to start the day. It also sets an example for children or others in the household. Small daily responsibilities matter. By making trash removal a mindful morning habit, your home remains fresher, cleaner, and more presentable, without the stress or smell of neglect. Finally, keeping a tidy home isn't about chasing perfection. It's about creating a rhythm that brings peace and order to your days. These small morning habits may seem simple, but over time they build a home that feels calm, cared for, and ready for life. If this brought you value, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more timeless habits that honor home and tradition. Until next time, take care of your space, and it will take care of you.